Hello everyone, today we're going to be camping in Mississippi. I hope you like my campsite and I will talk to you soon. Hello everyone, I am at Tishomingo State Park in Mississippi. I hope you like the video. If you do, please subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell for notifications so you can see my upcoming videos, and I will talk to you later. Thank you. Here's our tent for tonight at tenter.com. You could book one of these. We're in Mississippi. Inside the tent they have a toilet, a bench, a bed. They do give you a pillow, fire extinguisher. This one has windows that you could unzip. Kind of roomy in there. Then there's a screen that you can zip closed. And then outside that you can secure. Comes with a lock that you can lock this with. They give you a combination. Yeah. Oh, don't forget the deck. And there's a garbage can, table, cabinet there. And there's 2 chairs and a fire pit. And another little bench here. Hello everyone, I'm in Mississippi. I wanted to show you this bow drill kit that I got. I wanted to show you this bow drill kit that I got. It works. As you can see, you're able to start a fire with it. This is jute. This is basically string that was pulled apart. So if you have some jute, a bow drill, and some fuel after you get this going to start your fire, it works well as long as this is dry. It takes some practice. It's easy to do. I'll put a link below where you can get one of these. I hope you like this video. I hope you give this a try yourself. And if you did like the video, please subscribe, like, hit the bell for notifications, and I'll talk to you later.